Hello my friends, in this video I want to show you how to compress video files. With this video you'll be able to upload or download your video files faster, and in some cases playback will be smoother. Before I start the video, please subscribe to my channel right now. Don't forget to like and comment as well. Let's get started. Format Factory is one of the easiest and best programs to compress files. Search Format Factory on Google and download it. Installing the program is not difficult, so I leave it to you. After installation, open it. I have this video file, which as you can see is 46 megabytes in size. You can import the file into the software by drag and drop. Select the video file format. Click on Setting. Open this drop-down menu and select this option, Optimum Quality and Size. Click OK. Click OK. Click on Start button. The new file with reduced size will be saved in the path shown here. Let's go see how much the size has been reduced. This is the old file, 46 megabytes. And this is the new file, 200 kilobyte. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video and leave a comment to make me happy. Have fun, buddy.